Weld seam inspection of 4680 cells and the detection of pinholes. This is our today's topic. And pinholes are a really challenging defect. They are small in dimension, but have a big impact on quality. A typical dimension of a pinhole is between 30 and 100 micron, which is approximately the size of a human hair. But if a weld seam has such a pinhole, then there is a leakage. The cell isn't tight anymore, so the part is an NG part. It's scrap. We at Precitek have two technologies to measure weld seam. The first is laser triangulation, which we make use of if we want to measure big defects. And the second is a chromatic line sensor, which is suited for the detection of small defects such as pinhole. So for the example today, we make use of a chromatic line sensor, and we will show you some examples in the next slide.